Hey everyone, it's AppTap.
Here is how you can deactivate your Facebook account. Start by opening the Facebook application on your Android or iPhone. If you are using a computer, go to facebook.com in your browser. The steps are the same on all devices. Once you are inside Facebook, tap the three-line menu, scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy, then open Settings. Inside the setting page, we need to open the Account Center. Now tap on Manage Accounts. Then tap Manage. Select Deactivation or Deletion. You will see two options here. Make sure Deactivate Account is selected. So your account is only temporarily disabled and not permanently deleted. This means you can come back anytime and reactivate your account. After that, tap Continue. Facebook will now ask your password to confirm your identity. Enter your password, then tap Continue again. Next, Facebook may ask why you are deactivating your account. You can choose any reason or select something else. After selecting, tap Continue. Continue. Also keep in mind, deactivating your account may remove admin access from pages or groups you manage. When you are ready, tap Deactivate and that's it. Your Facebook account will be deactivated.